A blank screen becomes a world, characters are born, stories take shape, and rules transform into challenges players can't wait to face. That's the magic of game design. Being a game designer means mixing art, storytelling, and technology. One day I am sketching levels, other day I am balancing weapons or creating puzzles that keep players hooked. It's not just about fun, it's about connection. Games bring people together, spark imagination, and sometimes even teach new skills. Every game starts with a "what if" and grows into an adventure that millions can experience. And for me, there is nothing more exciting than building worlds where others can play, dream, and explore.